Hi guys, it's Billy, and I'm here to do an unboxing of a whole bunch of Ricky cards. At least this is what they're supposed to be. So let's get to it. Package them like that. It's not my favorite type of packaging in the world from this seller. I'm always afraid I'm going to scratch them when I pull them out. Here they are. Okay. They're all here. So, what I have, Japan Fan Club cards, the version with him holding the board, and the close-up portrait, and also the OTP card with ChangRick, because I totally ship these two. Second fan meeting goods, the printed silver card for Ricky, as well as the Japan Special Summer Concert card versions 3 and 5, I believe. I might be wrong on that, but I believe that's ones. Just him singing, and then just him going yay. So those are my Ricky cards that I got today. Pretty happy. They're awesome. Really big though. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys there. Bye.